Polychromal was founded in 1965 by Herman Hensen. The Polychromal organization consists of 3 divisions: Polychromal Products, INTF, and Digital. The Products division operates worldwide, with a primary emphasis on manufacturing anodized aluminium baseplates, aluminium printing inks, and accessories. The INTF division specializes in finished products such as identification labels, name, text, and front panels, mainly serving clients in the Netherlands. The Digital division has a global presence and specializes in producing flatbed printers which can print in the open pores of anodized aluminium, known as subsurface printing. Polychromal is a market leader. We are not only known for our innovative products like printers, but also for our progressive attitude towards environmental compliance. We anodize aluminium plates for manufacturing signs, name, text, and front plates. Our anodizing line is fully automated and guarantees a consistent, uniform finish of the plate material. After the anodizing process, our aluminium plates are specially treated so that they can be stored for a long period of time. In 2008, we designed our first digital printer to print our anodized aluminium plates. From this printer, a new generation of Aluprinters has been developed, which can produce high-quality graphic aluminium products on polychromal plate material or on plates from any other aluminium supplier. Our plates are suitable for the following printing processes: digital and screen printing in anodized aluminium, laser marking and CNC engraving and milling. The aluminium plates of Polychromal can be supplied in satin, gloss and matte surface structures. We also have them available in different colors. In addition, we have all kinds of accessories and printing inks suitable for different printing processes. We export our products all over the world. For more information about our products, please visit the website polychromal.com or contact us directly.